Want to check your Bluetooth hardware in Windows? Device Manager lets you see the Bluetooth adapter, check its status, and review important driver information. In this guide, I'll show you how to find everything. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results to open the Hardware Management window. Once Device Manager opens, look for Bluetooth in the device list. Click the arrow beside it to expand the category. You'll see the Bluetooth hardware and related devices installed on your PC. Look for an entry that identifies your Bluetooth adapter or wireless hardware. You may see the manufacturer's name or a generic Bluetooth adapter. A yellow warning icon can indicate a driver or hardware problem. Right-click the Bluetooth adapter and select Properties. On the General tab, check Device Status. If Windows reports that the device is working properly, the adapter is being recognized normally. Next, open the Driver tab. Here you can check the driver provider, date, and version. You can also find options to update, roll back, or uninstall the driver. For more technical information, open the Details tab and select Hardware IDs from the Property menu. These identifiers can help you determine the exact Bluetooth hardware when troubleshooting or finding a driver. If the Bluetooth adapter has an error or is missing, try updating the driver first. You can also select Action, then scan for hardware changes to refresh the device list. This can help Windows detect hardware that isn't showing correctly. And that's how to check Bluetooth devices in Device Manager. You can identify the Bluetooth adapter, check its status, and review its driver information. So keep these steps handy when troubleshooting Bluetooth connection problems.